x to the 5th divided by 2 times y to the 10th power, and that's being divided by 625 x cubed divided by 10y to the 4th. All right. So first of all, let's use proper notation. This is actually 50 x to the 5th divided by 2y to the 10th, big divided by 625 x cubed divided by 10y to the 4th. So before I even make any kind of simplifications, I'm going to rewrite this as, so remember that one of the rules one of the rules of algebra I might share with you is A over B over C over D is equal to AD over BC. So in other words, we can write a compound fraction as a fraction where the denominator of the numerator is the denominator, and the denominator of the denominator is the numerator. That's the way I think of it. Anyway, here, that is 50 x to the 5th times 10y to the 4th divided by 625 x cubed times 2y to the 10th power. All right, up till now, I have not made any attempt at simplifying anything, all right? Just rewriting it. Now I have a nice fraction I can start thinking about simplifying it, you know? I mean, you could have simplified the fractions before you did the division if you wanted, but whatever. What's that? Right. I mean, I actually sort of think operationally like this. If you look at the board for a second, I think about this B going down to there, and I think about this D going up to here. That's actually how I think about it in my mind's eye. So you could, of course, you could just multiply the numbers out and use a calculator, right? That's one way. That'd be fine. You know, but what I'll do here is just emphasize what's going on here. This is 5 times 10 times 10 divided by 625 is actually 5 to the 4th power, and then I've got a 2, and that's the numbers. I've got x to the 5 minus 3 and y to the 4 minus 10. And 10 is what? Well, 10 over 2 is 5, right? So fine. I've got 10, well, I've got 100 divided by, oh, good grief. Let me just, if you'll allow me to do so much writing, I want to switch out one of these 10s for 2 times 5 so I can just cancel these 2's. And so that gives me a 10 over 5 squared. Oh, but 10 is what? Good grief. Fine. That's x to the x squared, y to the what, minus 6. 10 is 2 times 5. So this is really 2 times 5 over 5 times 5, x squared, y to the minus 6. So finally, 5's cancel, and we're left with 2 x squared over 5y to the 6th. Whoa. Is that what you got? 2x squared 5 divided by 5y to the 6th? Okay. We have till 3, right? I just messing with you. I thought I had till 3, but I'm glad I don't, because my brain is starting to get tired. This stuff actually thinks thinking, doesn't it? So, yeah. Anyway, see you guys, when is it? Wednesday, that's right. So, turn off the